Hey guys, this is Loreli with WTI.
If you live in a small apartment like me, then you know that finding enough storage can be a real headache. I was looking around for ways to maximize my space, and I thought, why not use the empty space under my bed for storage? That's when I stumbled upon these gorgeous drawers from Prepac. These fit perfectly under my bed, and they look so sleek with their white finish. I love how they slide in and out so smoothly. It makes it super easy to access my things. They're also really spacious. I use them to store my towels and bed sheets in them, but they're perfect for storing clothes or even shoes. Having these drawers has really helped me keep my room tidier because everything has its place now, which is fundamental in keeping your small space clean and tidy.
So, if you're looking for a practical yet stylish storage solution, then these underbed drawers from Prepack are the way to go, and that's my point of view.